In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn event step by step. Plus, I will cover all the limitations you need to know before you start so you don't run into surprises later. LinkedIn Events is a built-in feature that lets you create, promote, and manage both virtual and in-person events directly on LinkedIn. Attendees can register, get reminders, and engage with your event content all inside the LinkedIn platform. All right, now let's create your first event together. I'm going to walk you through this on desktop, which gives you the most complete set of options. The mobile app has a more limited creation flow, so I'd recommend you to create your event on desktop. On your LinkedIn homepage, scroll down until you see the events section. If you don't see this section, you will have this button that says Show More. You can click on it to expand the menu, or you can also go directly to linkedin.com/events. Now on the events page, you will see a button that says Create an Event. Click that to open the event creation form. The first thing you will be asked is to upload your cover image. This image will appear at the top of your event page and also in your posts when you share the event. After uploading the cover image, click the alt text to add a description for screen readers. Click Apply. Alt text is not going to be visible for members who are not using screen readers. Next, you need to select who is organizing the event. You can choose your personal profile or any LinkedIn company page that you manage as an admin. This determines how the event is branded. You want your name and photo to be visible, to be the brand of this event, or your company's logo and name. Once you publish this, you cannot change the organizer. Next, you need to choose whether this is an online event or an in-person event. Online events let you add an external event link, like the registration link your webinar platform generated, and in-person events let you add a physical venue and address. Remember, you cannot change this setting after the event is published. I'm gonna keep it as an online event. Then for the event format, I'm gonna use an external event link. Next, I'm gonna add my event name. LinkedIn allows up to 75 characters for the event name, so keep that in mind when you are adding your event name. Next, we need to set up the time zone, start date, and the end date. LinkedIn usually uses your local time zone by default, but you can change it using the time zone dropdown. If you click on this, you'll be able to choose any time zone you want. Always double check the time zone, especially if your audience is international. Then you need to set up the start date. My event is next week. And the start time. You can also add an end date and end time to your event so people know how long it's gonna be. But if you remove this checkbox that says add end date and time, you will skip this step. Now I need the external event link. I need to go to my webinar platform. I'm using Contrast and copy the link and paste it here. Next, we have the description field. The description field is where you sell your event. You have up to 5,000 characters. Use this space to explain what the event is about, who is it for, and what the attendees will learn or gain. You can use some line breaks for readability, but keep in mind that LinkedIn's description field does not support rich text formatting like bold or bullet points, so it's plain text only. I'm gonna drop my description here. Let's expand it a bit to see how it looks. My description is ready. Now let's scroll down to the last field. We have speakers here. Here you can tag LinkedIn members as speakers on your event. You can search for them by name. I'll show you an example. And you can select them. Or if it was the wrong speaker, just remove them. If you don't have any speakers for your event, if it's just you presenting, then you can skip this part. But if you do have a speaker for your event, when you add them here and when you publish your event, the speaker will receive a notification and they can either accept or decline being listed as a speaker for your event. This is actually great for giving speakers credit and also expand your event's visibility to their network. Now, before you hit publish, review everything carefully, especially the date, time zone, and event format, because remember, the format cannot be changed after publishing. Now, if everything looks good, click next. After you click next, LinkedIn will prompt you to share the event as a post to your feed, and you cannot skip this. If you want to publish your event, you have to post about it. Once you publish it, you can still go to the event management panel to do some changes. For example, you can update the event name, description, date, time, or cover image at any time before your event. But again, the format, online or in person, cannot be touched after you publish it. And that's everything you need to know to create a LinkedIn event from scratch. In my next video, I'll show you how you can invite 1,000 people to your LinkedIn event for free.